Hey guys, I'm James with Flaman's. Today we're setting up a market cleaner out at DeRuyter's, just outside of Saskatoon. And yeah, we're just firing it up for the day and going through it and starting it up with the customer. So this machine does a couple different things. It does market cleaning and does intercropping. And you can actually use it as a seed cleaner as well. Dusty is using it he's getting into intercropping, and he's going to be cleaning his grain. So right now we're actually cleaning peas, but he's going to be using it for separating chickpeas and flax, peas and canola, things along those lines for his intercrop. This unit here is a bigger capacity because it's a 108-inch long deck, so it's one of our larger cleaners. It doesn't have as much air as one of our traditional air and screens, but it does have air on it as well. For the screen setup on this, because we're cleaning for seed, as we did 22 rounds, 14 slots, and 12 slots. So we're scalping and we're sifting on this unit. But we do vary in screens, and with an intercrop, you're doing different separations on different levels. That's why we're here to help you with getting the right screens and the selection that you would need to do your separation. If you're interested in your own grain cleaner or any grain cleaning equipment, reach out to your local Flaman sales rep and they'll be happy to help you out.